Bonjour, year 4. Our topic for today is les saisons, seasons. Premièrement, écrivez la date, lundi 31 janvier 2022. Écrivez la date d'aujourd'hui, lundi 31 janvier 2022. Et puis écrivez les saisons. And then let's do our starter activity. Pour commencer, match the picture with the phrases. So here you're going to try to match the picture with the phrases. You can draw down these pictures in your notebook or any paper, and then you can write these French sentences next to them and match them. Okay. Je n'aime pas. I don't like. J'aime. I like. Je déteste. I hate. J'adore. I love. So you're going to pick the correct phrase and match it with the correct picture over there, and after which we can check your sentences, all right, your answers. So pause the video at this moment and complete the activity, and then you can check. There you go, you've got the answers here. So the first one is j'aime, deuxième, je n'aime pas, troisième, j'adore, quatrième, je déteste. Hope you got it all right. If you made mistakes, that's okay. But remember to use your purple pen to correct your work. Okay. Once you come back to school, you're going to stick this paper in your French notebooks. There you go. You have your learning objective, your student outcomes. Learning objective is, can I say my monster's opinion? So the opinions are nothing but j'aime, je n'aime pas, je déteste, et j'adore. But how will the monster say its opinion? Yes, that's our objective for today. We're going to learn that as well. Student outcomes, I can recognize and understand months and seasons. I can respond to opinions about seasons. I can write a sentence on my monster's opinion on seasons. Today we are working on the HPL idea, critical or logical thinking. There you go. You have les saisons. Répétez après moi. Printemps, été, automne, hiver. Répète. Printemps, été, automne, hiver. Printemps is spring, été, summer, autumn is autumn, hiver is winter. All right, and then we have months here. So pendant le printemps, during spring season, you will, when will you find your spring season? So during the month of March, April, and May. So it's given as Mars, Avril, May. And then été, juin, juillet, août, automne, septembre, octobre, novembre. And hiver, décembre, janvier, février. D'accord? So if you want to repeat this after me, you can do that. All right. Try to go back in the video and try to play it again and repeat it after me. All right. And there are 2 YouTube videos link I've given here. You can try to go to this YouTube video and look up for, the months, and you can learn up how to pronounce them as well over there with songs. Okay, now, can you make 2 sentences? Just 2 sentences. 2 phrases with these words given below. So, first one, j'aime. The second one, je n'aime pas. The third one, j'adore. And the fourth one is je déteste. Now it's up to you. If you want to challenge yourself, write 4 sentences. If you just want to write 2 sentences, that's fine. It's up to you. All right. But when you say j'aime, je n'aime pas, j'adore, je déteste, you need to use also the seasons on your right. You can just say j'aime l'automne, or j'aime l'hiver, or you could say j'aime le printemps, or finally you could also say j'aime l'été. So it's up to you. You can pick the sentence starters from here and add up with the seasons on your right, all right, and make a lovely sentence. Challenge takers, you can make 4 sentences, 4 phrases. The rest of you can do 2 sentences. That's fine, okay? When you come back to school, I'll be checking your work. And this is your last activity. Can you make 1 long sentence with the words below? So here, it's about your monster. It's your monster's opinion, all right? So, mon monstre, okay? And then you will write whether your monster likes or doesn't like or loves or hates. You write it in French, and then you add up seasons along with it. You can also use connectors like a, mais, aussi, just given at the bottom in the blue box, all right? Please use them. Mon monstre, and then you add up the opinions. Mon monstre n'aime pas, mon monstre adore, mon monstre déteste. Okay, so you could use them to make your long sentence. All right, fine. Could you pause it here and complete your work? Okay, so those are completed. Take out your purple pens to correct. If you've written your sentence, the long sentence that you've written now, if you've started it with mon monstre, give it take and give 1 point for yourself. And then if it's followed by aime, n'aime pas, adore, déteste, if you've written all the 4, okay, in your sentence, then you get 4 points. If you've written 3, then 3 points. If you've written 2, just 2. If you've written 1, just 1 point for yourself. And then if you've added all the 4 seasons in your long sentence, you will get 4 points. If you have 3, then 3 points. So it's according to the number of words you've written. All right, then connectors. If you have all these 3, if you've managed to write all these 3 connectors in your sentence, then you should get 3 points over that. If you manage to write just 2, then 2 points. If 1, just 1 point. So totally, I think it's over here, 1 point, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then here 3. So 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you can mark yourself out of 12, 12, and then write self-assessed. All right, and then at the end, you can also write www, what went well, and then write, now you can write what went well in English itself is fine, what went well in today's lesson, and after which you can also write EBI, even better if, what you could have done better. Maybe you could have learned some spellings better, or accent, or what you could have done. So just try to write what went well and even better if. And there you go, your lesson is done today. All right. So, au revoir, à bientôt.